Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Friday, January 29th. It's our last school day in January. Can you believe that? Also, it's our last day of the week. Let's get started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? So, the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Sit up nice and straight. Track the speaker. So easy because I'm just on the screen, right? I can't really move around very much, but you can track me. Hey, we've been talking this week about to meet your PLP goal, you will need to show a whole bunch of different virtues. Well, guess what? That's actually something that's really true in life also. Like to be a world changer and be somebody who's amazing and makes a difference, you can't just show one virtue. You can't just be kind, but then be like super lazy and not really do anything. Or you can't just be a really hard worker who's actually super mean to everybody. You need to figure out how to be the whole package and like put a whole bunch of virtues together. The virtue we're talking about today that will help you meet your goal is excellence. So excellence means trying to do everything like the best that you can do it. It means taking some steps to make your work excellent. Here's some things you have to do to be excellent. You sometimes have to slow down. You have to work really carefully. You have to pay super close attention to the little details and really close attention to what you're working on to make sure that it is as good as you can make it. So I want you to have a chat with your class today. How can the virtue of excellence help you to reach that goal that you set at PLPs? Have a great day, Achieve, and have a great weekend. Bye.